Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna start with the Excel functions. So I have created some Excel sheets for an example. The first one is the employee details. So here you can see that in the employee details we have some columns and some uh, details based on these columns: employee name, a number, employee name, address, phone number, email, and department. And some examples I set up for you to show you. And then I have another Excel sheet which is talking about the department. So this is department number, department name, location, and country. So let's talk about what function we are gonna work with. The function is VLOOK. I'm sure people are very familiar with this function, but most of the time they got confused when they are matching, or when they are working with the different sheets or different location. So here is the example where we have three different sheets. One is for the HR. HR will pull the employee name from the employee detail table, and then HR will pull the department from the department sheet. These two sheets are located somewhere else, or in the same drive or different location on the Google, wherever you need to deploy that into the local where your the HR sheet, the pull-up sheet is available. The thing is, you need to keep open these two sheets when you are trying to pull the data from these two sheets. So for that reason, we have to bring it, or we have to take this HR sheet to that location where these two sheets are available. So let's begin with the example. I said an example here. I'm just doing it for you. We look up, and then it's gonna ask you lookup value. Definitely what value we are looking for. So in the employee department employee sheet, we wanted to pull the name. So this is the B2 cell we wanted to target for the specific row. And then we will say comma. When we say the another condition will come, the table array. Table array is from where we are gonna pull that information. So that information is obviously is available here. So we need to select the table array where the information is available to pull. Let's go back again and say comma, and then it is saying column index number. So here you need to know that what is column index number. Let's say, for example, we are extracting the first row. So first row is William, and the William has index number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you are familiar about indexing, indexing is nothing, is the background name, actual name of the cell. A, B, C, D is for us, 1, 2, 3 is for us, but the computer language is something different, so it goes in the different ways. So the backend language is indexing. So indexing is in the sense that we are saying that A1, B2, A2, B2, C2, but we cannot do that. We have to say that this row, this row, this row, yeah, or this row. Let's say, for example, here the example is we are pulling the employee name. So for the employee name, the indexing is 2. So here I need to pass 2, and then comma. here is the last final condition, which is saying that true or false. True is the approximate match, means wherever it will find will or Willia or Willie or William, it will extract everything. So definitely we are looking for the exact match, which is the William J. So let's go there, and then we say false, and then we close the bracket and say I see. So there's something wrong is in this. So okay, so here is the exact. So we pull the data A2, this one. This is what we are looking for. From the data range is from here to here. Data range is the employee table, the entire this one, and then what we are fetching is the indexing to, and false means that exact matching. So once we say this, it will come. Let's go to the second part, which is the department. Here also we are trying to extract the department name, and what is the target is the target is department name. Here department name, which is 101, we are searching. So the department ID is 101, and we need to pull the department date based on that. So we need to go back to the Excel sheet, department Excel sheet, and 101 and HR. It should come HR. So we need to provide the range. So now this time the range, you can see the range is this. So we need to give this range, and then what we need to extract, we need to extract HR. So HR is indexing 2, and then false, we need exact matching. So when we say the HR comes, let's take this to another row, which is the third. I supposed to bring the employee Roseanne. So in the row here you can see that there is pulling the same information. Why? Because we haven't worked completely. Here is the B1. We are saying a $2. So $2 in the sense $A and $2. So what we are saying is we need to get the information sorry, my mistake. So here, if you go up, you say $A and $2. So A and 2 is this information. So now we need to bring this information, but because we give the dollar sign, dollar means that A is constant, and here $2 is also, the row is also constant. So we need to remove the dollar from here, and then we say this. Now still it is not completed, because we need to go back again to this area. We need to check that whether this needed. The range will be the same. Everything else will be same. The only thing we need to get is to change the requirement. So now you can see Roseanne came into the second row. Now we need to do the same thing. We need to remove the constant row, and then we need to drag this back again, and the sales has come. So now you can see that how we are pulling the information from 3 different sheets into one area. So this is VLOOK I hope it is gonna be a beneficial for you. If you have any question or any thing you wanted to know more in depth, please give a call or sorry, message me, and I'm gonna come back to you with your appropriate responses. Thank you watching me, and please subscribe me.